Now, dear students, again exercise 9.3, question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. So, here we are going to use different formulas. The first one, our sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, so that is one of the formula. And the second one is 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. So where you have this type of formulas in your 11th standard, right? Now one more integral formula. So first we will minimize the fraction, right? The fraction is 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x can be written as 1 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. So that is written as, splitting into two term, is 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 is divided by 2 cos square x by 2. So what will happen? 1 2 you can cancel, 1 square and cos x by 2 cancel. Your 1 by 2 cos square x can be written as secant square x, and the second term sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2. Okay, so that is nothing but 1 by 2 times secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2. So this is our fraction value. Now we have the integration formula is e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx can be written as e power x into f of x. This is one of the simple formula here we are going to use. So you should know what is f of x and f dash of x. So our fraction is 1 by 2 times secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2. So if you are taking f of x as tan x by 2, right, look here, let f of x is equal to tan x by 2. So the selection is depends upon your integration. So you should know the differentiation as well as integration. Your f dash of x, look here, it is secant square x by 2 for tan, and x by 2 differentiation will be 1 by 2. So it is divided by, here it is multiplied by 1 by 2. So that is nothing but secant square x by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So you should know how to select your f of x. Therefore your answer is integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x into tan x by 2 plus secant square x by 2 by 2 into dx. Final answer is e power x into tan x by 2. Your limits are 0 to pi by 2. So when x is equal to pi by 2, it is e power pi by 2 tan pi by 2 by 2 minus 0. Your tan 0 is 0. So second term is 0. Is e power pi by 2 tan pi by 4. Your tan pi by 4 is 1. So is nothing but e power pi by 2. So your question answer is e power pi by 2. Now the question number 5. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 root of cos theta into sin cube theta t theta. Okay. So here it can be written as I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 root of cos theta into sin cube is nothing but sin square theta into sin theta into t theta. So your sin square is replaced by 0 to pi by 2 root of cos theta into 1 minus cos square theta into sin theta into t theta. So why we need cos square theta? Because root inside you have cos theta. So I am taking let t equal to cos theta. What will happen? The differentiation will be minus sin theta t theta, right? So when theta tends to 0, your t equal to cos 0, that is equal to 1. When theta tends to pi by 2, your t tends to cos pi by 2, that becomes 0. Your cos pi by 2, that is 0. Okay, so that is your first part. Now the second part of the question is equal to your I no change. It is 0 to 1. Root cos theta is nothing but root t into 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus t square, and sin theta t theta is nothing but minus tt. Okay, we found out all the values in the left side. So now it is written as, when you are interchanging the limit, the negative sign is cancelled. So it is 1 to 0, that is not 1 to 0. So that can be written as 0 to 1 and the negative sign cancelled. So it is t power 1 by 2 into 1 minus t square into tt, right? So now the normal multiplication, you can multiply this inside. It is integral 0 to 1 t power 1 by 2 minus t power 5 by 2 into tt. The difference integration will be t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus t power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2. Limits are 0 to 1. So the answers are 1 by 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3 minus 2 by 7. Taking LCM, it is 14 minus 6 by 21. So that becomes 6 by 21, right? 14 minus 6, sorry. It is 14 minus 6 is 8 by 21. So the final answer is 8 by 21. Okay. The question number 6 is evaluate integral 0 to 1 1 minus x squared by 1 plus x square the whole square into dx. So here you should know the denominator identity. 1 plus identity is tan square. So I am taking let x is equal to tan theta, right? Let x is equal to tan theta. So what will happen? Your differentiation is nothing but secant square theta into t theta. Now come to the question. When x is equal to 0, right, your theta tends to 0. When x is equal to 1, your theta tends to pi by 4, right? Your theta tends to pi by 4. So your fraction is 1 minus x squared by 1 plus x square the whole square is indirectly 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, right, the whole square. So 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, or 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. So 1 minus tan square theta by secant square theta the whole square. Now you come to the question. Your I equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 1 minus tan square theta by secant square theta the whole square into dx value is secant square theta into t theta. Secant square theta into t theta. So that is square and secant square theta is cancelled. Integral 0 to pi by 4 1 minus tan square theta by secant square theta into d theta. So we can split it into 0 to pi by 4, right? 0 to pi by 4 1 by secant square theta minus tan square theta by secant square theta into t theta. So that can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Your cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. So your formula is cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but again 0 to pi by 4 cos 2 theta into t theta. The integration of cos is nothing but sin 2 theta divided by 2 and limits are 0 to pi by 4. So that is sin of 2 into pi by 4 by 2 minus 0. So sin pi by 2 is 1. So it is I equal to 1 by 2. So your final answer is I equal to 1 by 2. So we can write here the final answer is sin pi by 2 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so thank you.